This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML coding on your mobile device. First, understand that mobile learning offers flexibility and convenience, allowing you to practice anywhere. Start by selecting a reputable mobile app designed for coding education. These apps often provide structured lessons and interactive exercises, making it easy to grasp fundamental concepts. Focus on mastering basic HTML tags such as headings, paragraphs, and image elements to build a strong foundation for more complex projects. To effectively learn HTML on your phone, you'll need the right tools. Look for mobile code editors that support not just HTML, but also CSS and JavaScript, as these are crucial for creating dynamic web content. Many apps offer features like syntax highlighting and auto-completion, which greatly assist in the learning process. Make sure to practice consistently by working on small, manageable projects. This hands-on experience is invaluable for solidifying your understanding of how different elements interact. Consistent practice is key to mastering HTML coding on your mobile device. Try to dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes each day to coding exercises or working on a small project. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tags and attributes to see how they affect your web page's appearance. Engaging with online coding communities can also provide valuable insights and motivation. Sharing your work and getting feedback from others will accelerate your learning curve significantly. As you advance, delve into responsive design principles. This ensures your mobile-coded websites adapt beautifully to various screen sizes, from phones to tablets. Understanding basic version control, like Git, will also be incredibly beneficial for tracking changes in your code. Remember, the journey of learning to code is continuous, so keep exploring new concepts and technologies. And hey, life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals to keep you comfortable while you code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.